My name is Andrey Pankeev and I'm leading AGSM Marketing Club. During my 6 years at Procter & Gamble as a brand manager, I learned a lot about marketing, from market research to strategy and to creative execution. I strongly believe that marketing is an essential part of our everyday life. No matter what your career path may be, understanding of key marketing concepts and how to execute them would be your advantage. Our club has 3 goals. Educate. Together we're going to learn about marketing through real-life examples. Engage. Marketing is a lot of fun and I want you to feel it. Enable. With club events, you're going to talk to marketing professionals and you can build your professional network. I'm really happy to talk with you about marketing in general or about Marketing Club in particular. Just drop me a note or come and talk to me. See you at the marketing event.